Now, let's learn another simple sentence in Igbo. Let's learn how to say, "Who saw my bag?" in Igbo language, using our familiar sound-alike helper. Onye hụrụ? Onye hụrụ akpa m? Together, onye hụrụ akpa m? Onye hụrụ akpa m? So in Igbo language, we say, onye hụrụ akpa m? Onye hụrụ akpa m? Onye hụrụ akpa m? So that's it. And for our quick quiz to test our previous learning, how do you say, "Are you hearing me?" Now, great job. Igbo champion, I know you get it. So thank you for learning one sentence today. Keep practicing and learning one sentence at a time. Please subscribe and like for more. Bye.